Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use math functions in Excel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use math functions in Excel, but we're not going to be just using Excel's built-in functions. Instead, we're going to utilize the power of the IronXL library in C#. So just before we get into it, I've already installed the IronXL library via the NuGet package manager. So if you haven't done that yet, just go ahead and do so. And then let's just move to our program CS file, and we're going to break down the pre-written code. So we're going to start by importing the IronXL namespace so that we can easily call its methods. And next, we're going to load a workbook from an existing sample XLS file and select its first worksheet. And moving on, the code gets a range from the worksheet, specifically cells from A1 to A8. And we're storing this range in the variable named range. So now we're going to calculate the sum of all the numeric cells in this range using the sum function. And similarly, we can calculate the average value of these cells using the AVG method. And then we find the maximum and minimum values among these cells using the max and min respectively. And then finally, we output all of these calculated values to the console. So now that we've understood the code, let's run it and see what happens. There you go. The console output shows the sum, average, maximum, and minimum of the numeric values within the cell range A1 to A8 of our Excel worksheet. These calculations are super useful for data analysis, and you can perform them programmatically thanks to IronXL. That's all for today, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and please subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. We've also got a free trial license for you to check out. So just click the link in the description if you want to try the power of our software firsthand.